Now, this is something you don't see every day. It's hard not to be mesmerized by the pristine beauty of an all-white animal. But did you know that this stunning characteristic can actually be harmful to these rare and captivating creatures? This phenomenon is referred to as albinism, a genetic condition that affects melanin production in animals. This rare occurrence in nature can appear in any animal group, from mammals to birds to reptiles to fish. Unfortunately, albinism can affect the eyesight and survival of animals in the wild, as they may have difficulty hunting, finding mates, and avoiding predators. Some are also targeted by poachers or trophy hunters who value their rarity. Despite these challenges, some albino animals can survive and thrive in their natural habitats or in captivity. Today, we have compiled a list of 12 albino animals that will leave you speechless. First up is the alligator. Albino alligators are very rare and often do not survive long in the wild. They have white skin and pinkish eyes. They are more vulnerable to predators and sun damage than normal alligators. Some albino alligators are kept in zoos or wildlife parks for protection. Next, at number 2, is the hummingbird. Albino hummingbirds are also very rare and have pinkish eyes, feet, and bills. They lack the iridescent colors that help them attract mates and blend in with flowers. They may also have impaired vision and flight abilities. At number 3 is the fish. Albinism in fish does not affect their hearing as much as in mammals, because fish lack melanin in the inner ear. However, albinism in fish can affect their vision, because they have less protection from bright light and UV rays. Albinism can also make fish more vulnerable to predators or competitors, because they have less camouflage and may be seen as weak or sick by other fish. Coming in at number 4 is the zebra. Albino zebras have white stripes and pale skin instead of black stripes and dark skin. They may also have blue or green eyes instead of brown. They stand out from the herd and may be rejected by their peers or attacked by predators. At number 5 is the squirrel. Albino squirrels have white fur and pink or red eyes. They are different from leucistic squirrels, which have white fur but dark eyes. Albino squirrels are more noticeable to predators and may have trouble finding food and mates. Next, at number 6 is the rattlesnake. Albino rattlesnakes have white or yellowish scales and pinkish eyes. They lack the distinctive patterns that help them camouflage and warn off potential threats. They may also be more sensitive to heat and cold than normal rattlesnakes. Following at number 7 is the gorilla. Albino gorillas are extremely rare, and only a few have been recorded in history. They have white hair and skin and blue eyes. They may suffer from skin problems, eye problems, social isolation, and reduced lifespan. One of the most famous albino gorillas was Snowflake, who lived at the Barcelona Zoo until he died from skin cancer in 2003. At number 8 is the penguin. Albino penguins have white feathers and pink eyes. They lack the black and white tuxedo pattern that helps them regulate their body temperature and blend in with their surroundings. They may also be shunned by their colony or have difficulty finding food. Coming in at number 9 is the lion. Albino lions have white or cream-colored fur and blue or green eyes. They lack the yellow or brown fur that helps them camouflage in the savanna and attract mates. They may also be weaker or smaller than normal lions. At number 10 is the peacock. Albino peacocks have white feathers and pink eyes. They lack the vibrant colors that help them display their beauty and impress potential mates. They may also be less confident or dominant than normal peacocks. At number 11 is the albino kangaroo. These marsupials have white fur and pink eyes, and are often mistaken for wallabies. They are more common in captivity than in the wild, where they face many threats from predators and diseases. And finally, at number 12 is the albino tiger. These big cats have white fur with black stripes and blue eyes, and are sometimes called white tigers. They are not a separate subspecies, but a result of a rare mutation. They are mostly found in captivity, as they have been hunted to near extinction in the wild. Albinism occurs when there is a mutation in one or more genes that are responsible for melanin synthesis. This mutation is inherited from both parents and is a recessive trait, meaning that both parents need to carry the mutated gene for their offspring to have albinism, even if they are not albino themselves. The result is a partial or complete loss of pigmentation, making the animal appear white or pale in comparison to other members of its species. Albino animals are truly fascinating and beautiful creatures that show nature can be full of surprises and diversity. We hope you enjoyed learning about them. If you do, give us a like and share with friends. You can also leave a comment on which is your favorite. That's it for today on Curious Gate. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell for notifications so you don't miss when we upload new content. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay curious.